Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning on TikTok. Good morning on YouTube. Let me pull this over here. Oh, I hope you guys slept better than me. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. In a couple of cells right now, we're looking for some buys here in a minute. Just wanted to capture these few cells. I'm going to close down one of my US 30s actually. Sell NAS, sell US 30, buy NAS, buy gold. That's what these trades are. Good morning. Once you all read the liability release, I'll be going over that in a second, and then we'll get to trading. I got to get a couple things lined up in here first. Let's see. Live trading. Bitcoin. What's today's date? 16th, 23, 11, 16, 23. Thursday, okay. I'm not staying on through open this morning. I'll be going off at 9 today, so I'll only be on for about 2 hours. And that goes for tomorrow too. I won't be staying through open tomorrow either. All right. Now, I got to get a couple more things in here. Sorry, guys. Good morning to everybody. Be right with y'all. One more second here. just getting some things set up. Today is the 16th. Live trading Bitcoin. Oh, there. Yep. Let's go. All right. Now, good morning, anyone on TikTok. Good morning to anybody on YouTube. Good morning to everybody, anybody who's around here. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see. Yes, I trade options. Let me pause this. Oh, interesting how they do that. All right, guys. Let's see. Good morning, Monique. Number one, D Nice. Good morning, Monique and D Nice. Good morning, Martar. Good morning, Ryan Seaman. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Sydney. What's up, Sid? Good morning, Nadala Sankar. Good morning, Wealth Creation Project. Good morning, Babu. Good morning, Clean Eat Junkie. Good morning, Kent. Good morning, John Sparks. Good morning, Mr. Noble. Good morning, Werner DeJong. Good morning, Jason McCain. Morning, Jason. I think we're all set. Good morning, Tracy. Good morning, Babu, over on TikTok. Thank you all for being on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Abil Kashush. I always call him Cashew. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Darren Roberts. Thank you, Nadala, for being on both. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Michael Mahoyhan. Good morning, Babu again. Good morning, Green Mountain. Thank you, Harry, for heading to TikTok. Good afternoon, Green Mountain. Good morning, Jay Parker. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. So our release has been up the whole morning here. I just started and there it is. Just remember this is all for fun, blah, blah, blah. That's all I'm saying. All right. So you guys, you understand, by the way, I want everyone to respond. Does everyone understand that I am not a financial advisor? Please say yes or no. If you don't understand that, then please leave the channel. So I would like a few yeses if you would, please. That would be awesome. Okay. Sevens will work too, but I like yeses at this point. All right. Good morning, Paul. Oh, thank you for the yeses. Good morning, Joe Biga. Oh, am I tired? Good morning, little Joe. All right. 15 people on TikTok? Wow. All right. I have to go over here. I have some options I got to look at. All right. We got a lot to do this morning. Now they got all that shit out of the way. Remember, every time we do anything in this world, good morning, Julius. Good morning, Umar Davis. Sydney says, yes, I consent. Good morning, 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 good morning. All right. I think I'm good, right? Let's see. Now to financial advisor, to buy a learn, go safe trade, heading back here. Woo-hoo. I'm so excited about this. Hope this comes out. All right. System made for beginners. Yes, it is. Damn, we are kicking ass. What the hell is US 30 doing? Let's take a look. Oh, by the way, I sent out an email for a buy stop for NAS to the 1 minute line. And it did. It went up and hit the line once, twice, 3 times, and boop. Then it started to tank downward. I was going off of my 5 minute sell stop right here. So that's why I'm looking at that. US 30. It is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, all 3 indices. So I'm going to change this over. 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop. All right, so that's the indices, but I got to get a few other things first. Morning, Sam. Morning, Larry. Morning, Moto. Morning, Stefan. Morning, Julius and Umar again. Good morning, Sid again. Good morning, Cuban Forex. Need everybody on YouTube to head over to TikTok, please, if you would. TikTok is the real safety trade. It's the only real safety trade that's live. And if you don't get there from my channel, good luck to you. God bless you too, Cuban Forex. All right. So here we go. What the fuck are we doing? I don't know. I'm tired. All right. So this is how you trade. This is how you trade, or how I trade. You guys trading which way the freak you want. I prefer, oops, hold on. 2 keyboards, 2 mouses, and that isn't even including the laptops, Precious's computer. Oh my goodness. All right. So what we're looking at here, first thing we're going to do is we're going to, oh, look at that beautiful 1-hour buy stop forming. Oh, let it keep going down. All right. First thing we're going to do, get up in the morning, pray. I always say, thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual close with you. Thank you for another day of Bree, Katie, Liv, Mike, Gene, Terry, Uncle Mark, everybody, and all my family and friends, all being together, all being relatively healthy and happy. Then I individually pray for everybody's needs, and I pray for you guys to get and understand the system. And then I move on to all my silly little stuff where I do Wim Hof, I do lifting, cardio, all my stuff. And then I go to the look at the scanner. And the scanner is the very first thing I do. So I come over to here and I say, hey, by the way, the scanner worked perfectly this morning. It did the buys and then they changed. I forgot which one hit first. It was NAS. I think NAS turned red first and then second and then third. So now we're going to be looking for 1-minute sell stops to the 5-minute blue lines. And then we're looking for 1-hour buy stops. So this scanner right here is the very first thing I look at. This is given out as a free upgrade to everybody in the sniper room and everybody in the scanner room, the actual big scanner room. It was given out free. And this is a $500 a month thing that we gave out to everybody in the scanner room and everybody in the sniper room for free. Please type a 7 if you understand that we didn't charge for this to anyone that was in the scanner room or anyone that was in the sniper rooms or had the sniper add-on. Sorry. Type a 7 if you understand this is a free gift from Bree and I. Cost us money to develop. Cost us time. Cost us lots and lots of trial and error on my part to figure this shit out. But I did not charge you anything. Bree did not charge you anything. We gave you this as a gift for free. Okay? Just so we're clear. And how it works is one of these would change. I think it was NAS turned to green. And then the other two turned to red. Then the other two followed. Now we're going to be looking for 1-minute sell stops to the 5-minute blue lines. And then we'll be looking for 1 hours. If you don't like playing 1 minute, 5 minutes, then just go over to the 1 hours and sit and wait. Good morning, George. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Michael Moyhan. I just want to make sure you guys think, oh, well, Kevin charges this, Kevin charges bullshit. You want to know other things we gave out for free, by the way? Let's go over that. You want to know something else we gave out for free? This scanner, when it came out, let's be clear, wasn't trading to the blue line. The scanner wasn't taking into consideration the higher time frames. So everybody bought the original scanner room for either $50 a month or $200 a month. If they bought it doesn't matter. When they got the scanner room, which I think is the greatest achievement in trading history, actually, when they bought this scanner, right? This scanner right here, when they bought it, oh, geez, my brother's calling. Hold on. Mike, I'm on a live, my brother. Good morning.
Okay, great. Good morning, everyone. Can you tell me, Kev, real quick, what's going on with that US 30, the 15-minute 1 hour? Because it looks like the greatest setup in the world.
No, it's a 1 hour, 4 hour, Mike. Look at the 1 hour, 4 hour. And there's a 5-minute sell stop on NAS. I'll go over it. You want to just stay on the line or you want me to go over it?
Yeah, just go ahead. Go over it.
So you're staying on? Are you leaving?
Yeah. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave.
Okay. All right. Love you, bro. All right.
Love you. Bye.
Oh, my brother. He's so hyper. All right. So here we go. So the scanner came out. The scanner came out, whatever, a long time ago, over 6 months, 8 months, however, 10 months, I think. Anyway, it came out a long time ago. Scanner wasn't trading to the blue line. We gave you a free upgrade. It does. The scanner wasn't taking into account the 1 minute, 5 minute, the 2 time frames. We gave you a free upgrade. It does. The scanner didn't have the indices top 10 room, Forex top 10 room. We gave you all that for free. We upgraded the scanner ungodly. We kept upgrading and upgrading and upgrading it to the point where it's utterly fantastic, utterly correct, utterly most amazing scanner in the history of Forex or stock market. That's all I can tell you. All of it was done for free. We never charged you for one upgrade. And then we came out and did the blue line H&H scanner right here. And then everybody that was in the scanner room or had the sniper add-on got this for free on top of it. So we didn't charge you anything for these. Now we do charge $500 a month if you're trying to get it after that now, but it was free for everyone that was in the system, in the scanner rooms and in the sniper add-on. So that's all. So not to beat a dead horse, but that's what I look at first. So wake up in the morning, say my prayers, do my Wim Hof, do my lifting, do my cardio. Then I come in here, look in the H&H scanner. Then I go to the 1 hour charts. First thing my brother should have did. So he looks at the 1 hour. What does he see? I look at the US 31 hour. I don't see a buy stop. I see a fill in the gap. I look at the NAS 1 hour. I see a buy stop. I see an SPX 1 hour. I don't see a buy stop. I see a fill in the gap. So let's take a look. Look at that go down. Awesome. So then if I see these 1 hours and it gives me my bias, but look, Mike, you can see that it's a fill in the gap. But the problem is, or what's happening is, it's not a problem, actually, it's the fucking greatest thing ever, is that this blue line is now coming down. So when you see the blue line coming down on NAS, right? Look at it. And SPX, see it? So this is our first thing that we look at. Just look at it. When you see this come down, it's 2 out of the 3, and that's our rules. This no longer has anything to do with the 15-minute. So Mike is 100% and completely wrong. He's just learning, though. That's why. So as soon as he would have looked at the 1 hour, he would have saw 2 out of 3 blue lines on the 1 hour. The very first thing I look at is the sniper, which costs $150 a month extra. Sorry, got to charge for fucking something around here. The sniper blue line is dipped down. So when you see this, you immediately have to go to 1 hour to the 4 hour and see what's going on. So the 1 hour, 4 hour is what you're looking at. I'm going to have to remove this, even though I didn't want to do too much. But anyway, so this is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Does everybody see what happened? Does everybody see what's happening? So the 1 hour, 4 hour, that means you have to have the logo down here for the 4 hour. I can't make the trade on the 1 hour until it dips more. Now, NAS might be there. I don't know. All right. Everyone put a 7 up if they understand when they look at this. It's not there yet. That the 1 hour, 4 hour is now engaged and it's no longer a 15-minute buy stop. Team Lane, we need thumbs up. Thank you, Tracy. Yes. 7s, please. 6s says Builder Voss. No, it'd be 9s, Builder Voss. Good morning, Builder. So if you don't understand it, type 9 and I'll go over it with you. If you do understand it, put a 7 up. We're not flashing any double signs, Builder Voss. Big Kahuna is a 9. Okay. All right, so let's go over it again. My brother's a 9. First thing I ever do is I check the 1 hours. I look for the 1 hour. What do I see? What do I see? Da 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 da. What do I see? Da 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 da. Joe Biggest says a 9. All right. I can't be any clearer. I'm going to go over it again for you guys because whatever. The 1 hour blue line is down low. Okay. Everyone type out a 7 or a 9 if they see the NAS 1 hour blue line is down low. 7, yes, you see the blue line is down low. 9, you don't. What do I see? Especially Big Kahuna. especially Joe Bigga and especially my brother. Come on, guys. Martin Lewis, let's go. Mike, do you see it down low? Okay. Now, great job, guys. Let's take a look. There's NAS down low. Here's SPX down low. US 30 isn't, but 2 out of the 3 are. When the 2 out of the 3 are, you are no longer in a buy stop because it's down here. You can't be in a buy stop on a 1 hour when it's down low. So then you go to the 4 hour to see what it's doing. Do you understand? You can't be in a buy stop, Mike. You can't be in a buy stop. Whoever the fuck the other dude was. You can't be in a buy stop when it's down low on the 1 hour. That is why it's the first thing I check every morning. Understood? The only possibility is then we go to a sell stop, which we'll get to in a little bit. But for now, I have to go up to the 4 hour to see what it's doing. So now the 1 hour is low. Let's take a look. The 1 hour is low while the 4 hour is high. So the 4 hour has now become our lead. Is the 4 hour up high? It is. Is the 1 hour down low? It is. So it is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Am I clear? Yes or no, Big Kahuna? Good morning, Sandman's for you. And that is why your 15 minutes are no longer applicable, because you cannot have that. Clear? Everybody. Who was the other big somebody? Was it Joe Bigga? Who was the other person that said that 9? Because I'm not going to have, this is 101, the most basic shit on earth. So we are clear. What's up, Pablo? Good morning, Safe Trade System. Good morning, Adam. I know the sniper rules, Babu. And you think that they fucking would read sniper rules once in their fucking lives. But no, you can tell on yourselves every time when you answer with a no or you answer with a 9. You're telling on yourselves because I know for a fact, just like Bob Uten just said, thank you, Bob, that if you looked at this for more than 2 seconds and followed the sniper rules, you'd realize that you have to do this. It's an absolute must. This isn't rocket scientist. This is the easiest shit on earth. If the 1 hour blue line is dipped down low, you can't possibly have a buy stop on a 15-minute because this has to be high. So if you can't have a buy stop on a 15-minute 1 hour, then you raise up to the 4 hour. Why don't you read your type form rules out there, people? Do you want me to go ahead and call out your names again? Why don't you read your rules, Big Kahuna? Why don't you read your rules, Joe? Why don't you read your rules, my brother? Read your effing rules. That's why I typed them out. That's why I made them. That's why I created them. You follow the rules. Thank you, Adam, for rereading your sniper type form rules last night. Damn, William Jones. So everybody, y'all understand you should be reading your rules and your sniper rules every day, every night, every morning, so you don't come on here and annoy the living piss out of me. Type a yes or a 7 if you understand that. Because this is basic. This shit is basic. Now, if you don't have the system, I understand. I get it. But if you have the system and you've went through your training, there is no excuse to be putting up the fucking 9s on a simple question like this. God. Mr. Sky says, come on, guys, read the rules. I'm telling you, this is insane. I mean, I baby you guys so much. I understand that, but come on. Good morning, William Jones. Good morning, Mr. Sky. Wow. I mean, come on. How much babying can one person do in this life without, oh, he gets upset. He gets angry. No, I'm not. It's disheartening. It's sad. It's enough to make a grown man cry. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, Monique again. I mean, this is just, it's heartbreaking to think that Some of you have been through your training and still don't understand this. I've explained this over fucking 800 videos and you still don't understand it. It is heartbreaking. It's embarrassing. It's like, what the fuck am I even teaching this shit for, is what it's like. Wow. I took profit on my NAS, by the way. One of them. My US 30 is still going. I know, Mr. Sky, you can take them to the water hole, but you can't drink. Good morning, Lebro. Good morning, Rayshawn Warren. Folks' brains are wired differently. Good morning, Rosh. I don't know if folks' brains are wired differently. Ain't nothing wired about it. People's brains are fucking lazy. That don't fucking do what they're supposed to fucking do is what it is. Read your effing rules, which brings me to my second point. Once I get my bias for the day, which I have to go up to the 4 hour on, then I open up my rules. Jesus. Oh my God. You didn't even let me get to the rules before you guys. Jeez, fucking pizza. Okay. So then I go to the rules. Hold on. Hold your horses. Because now I got to find the damn rules. Jesus. Oh, I swear, people. I don't understand. It's not wired differently. It's called people are lazy ass tards that don't fucking read the fucking rules every day. That's what it's called. It has nothing to do with your brains being wired differently. It has everything to be, hold on, to being lazy or being on top of things. That's what it has to be. And that's it. Let me see if I can find them. Nope, old rules. Those are the old rules. Oh, how cute is that? Here are the rules. Da 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 da. All right, here are the rules. So after getting up in the morning and praying, after doing my Wim Hof, after looking at the 1 hour, looking at the scanner, the H&A scanner, I go to the 1 hour, go to the 1 hour, see what's going on. I then go to the 4 hour, and then I open up my rules. Okay, guys, here's your rules. Let's take a look at them. And these aren't even the sniper rules, which are even more basic than these things. Martin Lewis, I'm going to pretend I did not. Okay, I'm done. Da 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 da. You're in timeout, Martin Lewis. See ya, bro. Becomes somewhat annoying, to be honest. It really does. He absolutely said 2 out of 3 relentless. That's exact. Team Lane, you're exactly right. I am going to go ahead and thank you. Oh my God, Tracy is so good. Tracy has a little bit of me, though. She is very she's very extremely good trader. Extremely good trader. I need to pin this message. But she's a little gruff around the edges like I am, which I love, but a lot of people don't. But I appreciate her, Tracy. I appreciate you very much. And yes, because she doesn't take shit. When she's in the Discord, she tells you exactly the way it is. So Martin Lewis has been put in timeout. Okay. Thank you, Tracy. All right, here we go. So then after I do all that stuff, I come back over to here and all I look for is my logo. How do we find a logo for a buy, or how do we find a logo for the sell? Well, if I went up to the 4 hour and we see the buy, then we have to look for a green up buy stop. How do I do that? I go to the rules, A, B, C, D. They're very easy. Well, it talks about where the price starts, talks about a red or a green arrow, talks about a, thank you, Tracy. Talks about a perfect buy stop or setup and about confirming it on the 5 minute or on the higher time frame. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. How do we spot, and then we'll come back to the rules. How do we spot this logo? So this is what we got. We have NAS 4 hour now. We have US 30 4 hour, and we have SPX 4 hour. Okay. So what are we looking at here to find our logo? So this is the 4 hour, right? Let's take a look. Price starts underneath. Green arrow tells us to come up. It comes back down, retraces, and goes up. Comes back down, retraces, and goes up. It can go up from here, especially on these 4 hours. They might not pull all the way down. But I would prefer it to come all the way back down to here and then pull up. So right now, then that means what I prefer, what I'm looking for in order to work, Good morning, Maxwell Thilponte. Is I'm going to go down to the 1 hour and I'm going to look to see where we're at. See right here, we're on the 1 hour, so that's fine, but we're not close enough on the 4 hour. Let's take a look. SPX is far away from its 4 hour. NAS is far away from its 4 hour. And US 30 is far away from its 4 hour. So does everybody out there see how we take our rules, price starts below, come up, retraces, first time's always the best. Then it has to, and when it came over, did it again. And then this is the third time. I would prefer it. The 4 hour is too far away. It needs to come down closer, at least, to the yellow line in order for us to make this 1 hour buy stop. I'm not saying the 1 hour buy stop isn't going to work. I'm saying right now I would prefer it. Does everybody see the US 30 far away? I can zoom in. Let me zoom in because I know some of you are going to say I don't see it. Let me zoom in. Let me go to US 30 specifically. You see this? So it's kind of far away from the yellow line, kind of far away from the red line. That's all I can tell you. If you can't see that it's far away, when it's close to the yellow line and there's a 1 hour buy stop, take it all day long. When it's close to the yellow line, take it all day long. Sevens or yeses. Good morning, Sandro. Oh, Sandro, 2 weeks work to be decided to be after back. Good morning, Sandro, on both. Thank you. Little Joe, sevens. All right. So it's far away. So our 1 hour buy stops are perfectly legit, perfectly fine. You can see it's going underneath. Let me show you. You can see it's going underneath our yellow. You can see it bounced off, came over. So the US 30 buy stop, 1 hour, 4 hour, and I can't call the 4 hour because it's too far away, but I can put it below this yellow line, on the yellow line, sorry. And then you can come over here on NAS. I can do this. Watch. Trading, buy stop. I'm just waiting for it to go down further and further and further. SPX, again, not low enough on anything, so go to 4 hours. Look, SPX is too far away from its line. I bet you NAS is the only one close. Yeah, it's closer. And US 30 is far away. Okay? So then you can't play the 1 hour, 4 hours, right? Well, you can put your orders in, but you can't put an order in for a buy. It's going to go down. You can't do a 15-minute buy because, well, you can. It's actually a 15-minute 1 hour buy, even if you want to do it. But you can't do a 15-minute buy because we're not running a 15 1 hour. We're doing a 1 hour, 4 hour. So you can go down to the 1 minute, 5 minutes, and what do you see? I see a fill in the gap sell stop right there. I see a 5 minute sell stop on NAS. I see a 1 minute sell stop on NAS. I saw a 1 minute sell stop on NAS. So you can play any and all of those, feel free. But once these convert over and come back up the other direction, which they will later, I don't know if there's news today or at open or whatever, that's what I'm talking about. So please, again, you guys have to understand the logic of what we're doing all the time. It just does things in order over and over again. So I showed you how to look for your buy stop on the 4 hour. We're looking at the 4 hour logo. It needs to be green, start under, go above, come back down and retrace. It hasn't come close enough on the 4 hour. I fully suspect it's going to drop more. Okay. Now I go, after I determine all that, I go back to the actual rules and I say, hey, if I don't see a clear Mike, if I don't see a clear Big Kahuna, safety trade on the 1 minute time frame, I look to the next higher time frame. I keep checking the 1 minute, 5 minutes to see where they're forming, to see if it develops. Everyone. So what did I just do? I went back and checked. Okay. Take a look. There is a 1 minute sell stop. There was a 1 minute sell stop on NAS. So you can't take a 1 hour buy stop on NAS when there's a 1 minute sell stop on NAS. And not only that, there's also another 1 minute sell stop on NAS. Look at it. Look at it. Not only that, there was a 5 minute sell stop on that. Not only that, there was a broke Bach 5 minute sell stop on NAS. Not only that, there was a 15 minute sniper, a 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop on NAS. So what more do you want? You say, well, did it do it on SPX? Did it do it? Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look at SPX. You can't take trades. See, look at that. Here it is. There is a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop on SPX. So now there's 2 out of the 3 doing it. Don't give me no shit what the fuck this is because you don't know what the fuck you're doing. And there is a 1-minute, 5-minute sell stop also on US 30. So you have to go back, read your damn effing rules that half of you don't even know, don't even look at for some unknown reason. Read your rules. Quit asking questions that are answered a billion times over. When I said, if you don't see a clear safety trade, blah, 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 on the 1 minute, look to the next higher time frames. Keep checking in bold the 1 minute, 5-minute sell stops or buy stops. Keep checking them. The order in which safety trades develop is 1 minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute. Just because you see a 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop, it's not correct. 2 out of the 3 showed 1 minute or 5 minute. All 3 showed 1 minute or 5-minute sell stops, period. And not only that, the 15-minute, 1 hour couldn't have been active because you have a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. That's the only play you can make. You can't make a 15-minute buy when there's a 1 hour, 4 hour that's engaged. You can't do it. I swear, some people. I swear, you guys just live to drive me nuts. I swear. Not all of you, some of you, though. Instead of reading the rules, you come out and make silly. There is news, Kev. Good. What's the news, D Nice? I hope it's some fucking fantastic, great news. It can't be CPI. They just did it. What is it, NFP or some bullshit? You may open more than one trade at once, but keep in mind not to get caught in the higher time frame, so don't get suckered in. How much more specific? Besides, the 4 hour is just there to see if and when the 1 hour candles will bounce off the 4 hours red line. There, I'm telling you. One safety trade finishes, look to the next. How do you know when it finishes? It'll hit, like for instance, this morning, it hit its 1 minute blue line on a buy 2, 3, 4 times, and then it went down. That's how you know. It bounces off the blue line. Rayshawn Warren, I think the different time frames. Yeah, that's what you do. You study, Rayshawn. Anything confusing in this world, you study. You don't blame the system. You blame your own ignorance for not reading rules and following them. That's what you do, Rayshawn. And you're within about 2 seconds of getting put in timeout. As soon as the safety trade gets triggered, set your stop loss. Put your stop loss at the pivot point. Unemployment. Thank you, Harry. Thank you, Mr. Noble. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Sandra. Fuck their unemployment bullshit. As soon as they trigger, set your stop loss above the pivot point, right? Take profit. Always open up 2. You saw me do that this morning with NAS. I opened up 2, closed 1 down. Or more. I usually open up more. Always move your sell stop line up or down. That's what we're going to do as it moves down. We're going to move it down. Always thank God. Most important rules we have. Always thank God. Always do good with your profits. Always have my back. And remember, for $575, I'm giving you the way to trade that, as far as I'm concerned, is 99% accurate. It never makes a mistake. Our interpretation of the charts do make a mistake. The system itself is 99% accurate. I give it the 1% off only because God can do what God wants to do anytime he wants to do it. But the system itself is going to be 99% accurate on the trades. All right. So now we're going to go back after we're done reading our rules. Wow, that was the longest fucking thing I ever had to see in my life. 1 minute sell stop US 30. 1 minute sell stop NAS. 1 minute sell stop SPX. Lock in your profits. 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute buy, 30 minute buy, 30 minute 1 hour buy, US 30. I'm still going to call you out on that, make it be a 1 hour, 4 hour, but whatever you want to read it as. 1 minute sell stop. Does that mean, so let me be clear here. If you put a 1 minute sell stop in at the red line and it goes straight the fuck up, does that mean that the system failed? No, that means you're an idiot because you got caught into something. Put your sell stop down as low as you want. You can put it underneath here. You can put it on the yellow line. You can put it on the red line. Sell stop 1 minute doesn't mean you enter into it. It means you use a pending order and you don't do a market order. So say the sell stop 1 minute never works. The 5 minute, which is going to do right here, is going to form and come down. Say that never works. Then you do the 15 minute. Oh, that didn't work. The fuck it didn't. We're in the trade. We made shit tons of money sitting right there. 1 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. So if you don't want to play the 1 minutes, then do a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Is it close enough to the yellow line for a buy stop? I don't think so. But sometimes they don't do it. Sometimes they'll do some kind of bullshit, jobless claims, things they make up out of their fucking asses, and they'll have it. They'll do one little snipe. They'll do this. They'll drop it down super quick in 5 seconds. Then they're going to boost it up like that. And they'll make a little wick touchdown. They'll touch it down with a wick. Who knows? But I can see the douche asses doing that shit. So they'll push it down real hard, pop it back up again. Or maybe they'll push it down real hard all day. I don't know. I'm just going to call you what it is. That's for NAS. Here's SPX. SPX. 1 minute sell stop. SPX. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. SPX. 30 minute buy. 30 minute, 1 hour buy. Do you see how the 1 hour line's down here? Do you see it? Look at NAS. The 1 hour line's down here. You can't have a fucking 15 minute buy stop when it's formed into a 30 minute buy stop, when it's formed into a 1 hour buy stop. And what's it buy stopping against? The 4 hour blue line. Is the 4 hour blue line down low enough? I say no, it's not. It's not down low enough on SPX. It's not down low enough on NAS. It's not down low enough on US 30 for damn sure. Does that mean these buy stops still won't engage? I don't know. That's why I go back to the 1 hour and I put a buy stop in over here and I fucking wait. If it goes up, I make money. If it doesn't, I don't. Here's my buy stop. Watch. I'm in a sell now on US 30, making more money than God. Thrilled out of my mind. Thankful to God for all that money. Buy stop, US 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, off the yellow 1 hour line. And I will trail that going down. If I remember, most times I get stuck on that shit. Buy stop, 1 hour, 4 hour NAS. It's not on the yellow line. I can't do it. It's not below the yellow line. I can't do it. It's not below the red line where I prefer. I can't do it. So now I have to go to the 1 hour line and I'm going to do a buy stop, 1 hour. Right here, buy stop, 1 hour on the yellow line. NAS 100. Matter of fact, I'm going to put in a couple of those fuckers. This thing's been dropping real good all night. I'm going to put it right here and I'm going to wait. It may never go up and engage. It might not. They might jerk it up so fast like they did yesterday on whatever news that bullshit was yesterday. PPI, CPI, PPP, stinky, whatever the fuck they want to call their news. But if it goes up, you might have the opportunity of gathering it. But I don't really fucking care because I'm already in NAS in a 580 pip buy. So I'm okay with NAS if it goes shooting upward and I don't get it engaged. But I'm there. I'm ready for it. See how it's trailing down? You got to move it as it goes down with it, by the way. So we're up even more money on that one, on the sell on US 30. SPX, buy stop. SPX is far away from its 4 hour blue line. Then I have to go to the 1 hour. Well, the 1 hour sucks ass. It's not even below it. Unacceptable. So now I go to the 30 minute. And I'm not doing SPX. I think that's shit. And I don't like the way it's set up at all. I ain't doing it. So fuck SPX. We're not trading it. You guys can do whatever you want. But this is all it is. It's literally too far away. Look, our logo says it has to be on it or near it. You see this one? Not ideal, but at least it was near it. You see this? Far away. This near. This is best. It's on. First time it forms is the best time. Let's go over NAS. NAS, on it. Perfect. Near it, okay. Kind of far away, not ideal. Let me go to SPX. Below it, perfect. Near it, perfect. Away from it, not ideal. You can't trade without our logo being confirmed on the higher time frame. Oh, I don't know. That's all I got. Oh, good morning, Kev. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. That was really what Kevin just said. We only take the safest pips, not all pips. Henceforth, why it's called the safety trade. It's called the safety trade system. It's not called the greedy pig system. Did I name it the greedy pig system? 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 You're welcome, Bob. I don't think I named it the greedy. I don't think I named it the greedy pig system. I just don't. I don't think it's called the greedy pig system. Let's do the greedy pig system, everybody. Let's do the greedy. This is the greedy pig system. Let's be greedy pig system. Not green, greedy. In the 1 minute NAS sell stop. Read your rules and rewatch videos. It all makes sense. Nope, greedy pig system. That would be BlackRock. Yeah, absolutely, Evan. So NAS, they're saying look at NAS. Well, yeah, because that's what it's going to do. There's SPX is in the money, not just NAS. There's NAS in the money. And there's US 30 in the money. I mean, come on, guys. Sell stop. It's going to go down. It has to go down. It's too far away. I know you guys are always impressed when I make the right call, but come on. Here, let's go over to TradingView. Someone says, oh, you're only selling TradingView. That's because Eagle FS is fucking around. Oh, but you're only selling TradingView, but you only use MetaTrader 4. 100% not true. I like MetaTrader 4, sure, but absolutely not. I love TradingView because we can go to the 30-second. Hell, we can go to 15. Hell, we can go to 1 second. But we do a 30-second, 3-minute, and let's see what we see. And let's see what we see. Let's see what we see. Da 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 da. Let's see what we see. So we can verify our 1-minute trades on TradingView way superior than we can on MetaTrader 4. There's nothing I can do on MetaTrader 4 that's even close to what we can do here. So we had a 30-second. This is what I see. Da 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 da. Yep, and we can do a 3 minutes. This is your 30-second. This is a 30-second, and let's be clear here. Clear, huh? Right here. Let's be clear. Here. We see a 30-second. Let me get this straightened out a little bit too, so you guys can see a little clearer. Sorry. Yes, you can do 30 seconds on TradingView. TradingView is superior. I'm just old school with the way I like my MetaTrader 4. But let's take a look. What do we see right here? This is going to be NAS. This is going to be, hold on, not even the right thing. Let me go to NAS. NAS. This is going to be NAS. So the bottom is a 3-minute NAS. The top is a 30-second NAS. And let's see what it looks like. 30-second chart. All we have to do is one thing. 30-second chart, 1 minute. 3 minute. 3-minute blue line is down low. 30-second blue line is up high. Sell stop. That's it. Now, if you want your confirmations, pink was up high also. Number 4, there was a actual real double up, actually, 30-second sell stop. Red, green, boom. Red, green, boom. That's it. I do want to add one thing to this one, though. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. No. All right, we're good. That's all. So when you see this and you see the setup like this, it couldn't get any simpler. This is your 30-second, saying it. So 30-second, 1 minute. Oh, blah, 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 30-second, we don't have it. Okay, well, then come over here and just look. Blue line high. If you had it, you can go over to here. 5-minute low. So let's open up 2. Let's go over to NAS. Let's teach you exactly what you're looking at. Here's our logo. Tells it to come down. Comes back up, retraces to the yellow line, and then it hooks and comes down. Our logo started up high, told to come down. The green bullshit detector told us to come up, and then it comes down. This is the same exact logo over here where the retracement is it here? And that's it. So you can do 1 minute, 5 minute. You can do 30 seconds, 3 minutes. Either way, slicing it, you can clearly see sell stop. Number one, the 5 minute blue line is down low on the stiper. Number two, it's up high. Number three, the pink line came up. How many times do I have to repeat this to you guys? It's kind of silly at this point. Look, and there it is. Does that mean that at 8 o'clock, 8:15 or 8:30, when they come out with some kind of bullshit news and they rocket upward, oh, we're not prepared for that? We didn't know that was coming. Yes, we did. Go look on the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops and see what you should do. Wow. Oh, yeah. Thank you for reminding me about recording the sessions. You need to record the sessions. Solace and the money on NAS sell stop. Awesome. If I don't get more than 48 thumbs up with 94 of you watching, I'm closing down the YouTube channel. And literally, I'm putting a timer on. If I don't get more than 2 minutes, this is what you guys get. You get 2 minutes. If I don't see more thumbs up on YouTube than 48 fucking thumbs up in 2 minutes, I'm closing down YouTube. Da, 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 da. I am in one of those moods this morning because you guys are asking the silliest question. You weren't even catching on to the most basic concepts. You can't even read the fucking rules one time. Wow. Yeah. No, that's bullshit. What has helped me, says Evan Taruski, readers record the session. Thank God, even doing demo account. Then trust what you see. Don't let personal. But absolutely. 100%, Evan. Happy Thursday, John Francescos. Remember, it forms from lower time frames, Monique. Yep, absolutely. Yep, Austin Lang. Helda did it perfectly. Good morning, Everyday Wealth Systems. Good morning. Thank you, Bob, for keeping asking. Oh, what do you know? They can give thumbs up, and you have 1 more minute before I take you out. That's right. I always wanted to know who didn't give thumbs up so I can block them. Keith was unable to do that. I wonder if I can get Sydney to do that. I really would like to build a shell around YouTube and see which of you aren't giving thumbs up so I can block you from the channel forever. Yep. And I would do it in 2 seconds. Good morning, Maria Toler. Hey, that must mean Steve's here. Good morning, Maria and Steve Toler. Oh, look, they're up to 76. You guys can hit the thumbs up button. Thanks. Okay, now let's go over this. Well, I'm going to wait for 20 more seconds. I'll take a look at it, Kev, in a book, Kev. Anything for you. Not only did you crack the entire market, but you're sharing it. Absolutely, Sydney. Thank you, sir. What I want, Sydney, is a shell around YouTube so that we can see who's here. And then we can see who's, there it is. Oh, we're at 80 thumbs up. What do you know? That's more than 40. Thank you, guys. Good morning, Dr. Bianca Adams. Good morning, Cy. Finally able to trucking while listening. Be safe, Cy. Good morning, Mike Brown. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. Good morning, Joseph Tamburino. Look at how everybody can hit their thumbs up when I ask them to. You can't do it on your own. Grown people out here watching me. All right. So this is the NAS. Let's take a look at SPX. Here's SPX. Let's take a look at US 30. Here's US 30. Okay. Sell, stop, sell, stop, sell, stop. All right. NAS. Okay. And then let's look at SPX. All right. Now, let's go over to US 35 minute, by the way, to see where we're at. See, this is why. This is why. Okay. Let's go over. Say, hey, US 30 didn't go down that much, Kev. US 30 didn't go down yet. But watch. This is why US 30 hasn't gone down that much. US 30 is doing a sell stop away from its yellow line. Let's look where NAS was on the 5 minute. NAS was at its yellow line. Let's see where SPX was. SPX was at its yellow line. Again, US 30 was away from its yellow line. And look, right now, it didn't do shit, right? Look at it. But NAS was on its yellow line. Take a look. Take a look. right? Look, I agree with you 100%, Pip Hunter. I don't understand why there are not more people watching. There should be thousands watching and learning. I don't get it. I think what it comes down to is people are so stuck on their egos, Pip Hunter. For like me when I was trying to do all the Fibonacci, they can't let go and admit that they were wrong. They can't let go and admit that they were wrong. They cannot let go and say Fibonacci doesn't work. Volume doesn't work. You should see on TikTok when I do evenings sometimes and they don't ban me, shadow ban me, and they allow it out to other people. People will come on my TikToks at night and say, oh, the volume works, VWAP works, wedges, ascending, descending wedges work, naming of candles and candle patterns work. They'll come on there vehemently defending any one of those things. Fibonacci retracements. Vehemently trying. So they can't admit it to themselves or to God that stuff just doesn't work. Their egos won't let them admit it that they're wrong. So they won't do it. So as we go forward, and then you'll see a lot of my people, when they start making money, they quit watching the lives. They make money and they don't come on the lives anymore. That's a lot of people do that. But anyway, that's a very good observations. Rule number 8. Thank you, John. Good morning, John C. Shit. None of that. Fibonacci was made out of seashell patterns of flower patterns in nature. They applied it to trading. I tried to get the Fibonacci retracement to work using NAS 100 and EUR-USD for about a year and a half. I did nothing but it. That is some bullshit motherfucking scum-ass crap that never works. And we know that it only works 1% of the time. See, that's what I mean. People come on here and try to defend it. It doesn't. I'm not trying to be mean when I say these things to you. It doesn't work. Google it. You'll see it doesn't work. Google it. Right here. This is all you have to do. This isn't my bias. If that shit worked, I wouldn't be here. Look, studies have shown, blah, 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 less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Yet every day trader knows what Fibonacci retracement is. Every day trader knows what naming of candle and candle patterns are. Every day trader knows what an ascending and descending wedge is, trend lines and support and resistant lines are. Yet only 1% of the time it works. Volume, VWAP, order blocks. Give me a break. That shit doesn't work fucking 99% of the time. And it ain't me saying it. Now look, back to what I was teaching. Good morning, Erica. Yeah, pride and greed. Absolutely. Yep. I know. And the people who aren't giving those thumbs up out of the 103, those are the people who are scamming. We have Russian scammers that come on here trying to steal stuff. We have guys from other countries trying to come on here. We guys from America they're just scammers. And rather than buy the system, right, literally giving you trades that are 99% accurate and it's $7 trillion, you can become trillionaires using it, billionaires. I know I've made millionaires. I know I made hundreds of thousandaires. Patrick, Phil, Jay Cochran. I know I made people make enough money they can retire from their jobs. Kim, Tommy could retire if he wants. Patrick could retire if he wants. I mean, this is not. So for $575, spend the money and then learn it. When it's closely aligned. Let me give you a real life example I'm talking about. There's NAS close to its line on the 5 minute. But if you go to its 4 hour on the buy stop, it's too far away. I'm not saying it won't go up. I'm telling you it's too far away to go up. You can go up anytime it wants, but it's too far away for this to occur. Just like it's was perfect on the 5 minute when it came up on the sell stop, it's too far away on the 4 hour. Perfect on the 5 minute sell, too far away on the 4 hour buy. Close enough on the sell right there to work perfectly. Not close enough on the 4 hour buy for my likes. Does everybody get that? Keep watching this over and over again. 7s for yeses, 9s for no. And I understand if there's not a no here, but look, price action was up here. Look at NAS. The sell stop on NAS, when that came up to that line, that yellow line was right here, the sell stop right there. It's close enough on the 5-minute sell. It's too far away on the 4-hour buy. It's as simple as that. There is no other explanation than it's for my liking. It's too far away. Good morning, Jacob Silva. Sevens, Annie. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, Brick. Oh. All right. So that's what I'm trying to teach you guys. When you have to find your first trading, what we're going to do today, and you look at the 1 hour and you see the 1 hour blue line had dipped low, you can't use the 1 hour for a buy stop. So this is forming. The 1 hour itself is now the buy stop. Well, if the buy stop's off the 4 hour, it's not high, it's not close enough. Henceforth, while you're seeing these sell stops drop, 1 minute sell stop NAS is in the money again. 1 minute sell stop NAS is in the money again. See it? Let's check here. Now, SPX not high enough on. Watch SPX do the same thing. I'm telling you, this is what it's going to do. Because if you go over to SPX 5 minute, you're going to see it's close. Look. See? There she goes down. You see it right before your very eyes. I don't know. How do I make these calls? There's your NAS. It's close. And there it is, going down. Downward sloping M, by the way. This is a triple top. I refer to it as a triple top. Most people do. Boom, 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 down. That's your triple top. SPX is more of a standard double top M. Well, I guess it is a triple downward sloping M. And then that's all. So these are close. US 35 minute isn't. I'm not saying US 30 isn't going to go down, but it's not up to the yellow line yet. I prefer it to go up further and then hook and come down. That's all. So there it is. So there's your trades. Are these big trades? No. Are you making 10, 12, 15 pips? Are you making 5, 10 pips each time? Yeah. Just take your money, close down the trade, and run for the fucking hills. Don't stay in any trade longer than you have to. Now, shit, all this explanation, I never did my call-outs. All right, I got to go back and do all my call-outs. Sniper, pew, pew. Those 30-second, 3-minute scalps are fire. Yes, they are, Team Lane. NAS paid out again. Yes, it did, Team Lane. All right, so let's go ahead. And I'm going to go ahead and rip through. Gosh, how far am I on this video? How long have I been on for? I've been on for an hour. Oh, shit. I've been on for an hour, and I haven't made the call outs, and it's 8:12 before market open. Oh my God. Really? Really? I'm going to go ahead and do it. Don't play the news. Stay out of the news. Get out of the news. If you're in a sell, stay in the sell. That's my disclaimer to you. Now, I'm going on. Oil. U.S. oil, 1 minute. Here we go. Buy stop to the blue line. What is this? This is 1 minute? Oh, look how gorgeous. Too late. All right, 1 minute, maybe 5 minutes. 5 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute buy stop, 5 minute sell stop. 15 minute sell or 30? 15 minute 1 hour sell stop, U.S. oil. 4 hour sell stop, daily. 4 hour sell stop to the daily blue line. Weekly buy stop, U.S. oil. XRP, 1 hour. 1 minute. Looks like a sell. 1 minute sell too late. XRP, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 sell, 15 minute buy. Nope, 30 minute buy. It's going to keep falling. The buy, sell. It's going to 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell, 30 minute to the 30 minute blue line, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute sell to the 1 hour blue line, and then 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop. All it's doing is going down, touching the yellow line, going to burst up again, I hope. We got to make sure we avoid this weekly sell stop to the blue line. And that means you could see XRP all the way down to like 20 cents, and I don't want to talk about it. Monthly buy stop. Let's assume that it's going to skip that weekly and do a buy. Weekly buy stop, XRP. Monthly buy stop, XRP. Weekly sell stop, sorry. 1 minute sell. Who is this? 1 minute sell Ethereum. I'm assuming Bitcoin already did it. Yes. You'll always see this heads up, guys. Bitcoin always does the 1 minute first, 99% of the time. You'll see Bitcoin hit its blue line first, and then you're going to see Ethereum hit its blue line after that. See, it did it after it right there. Boom. At any rate, Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Ethereum, 15 minute 1 hour buy stop. Ethereum already did it. Looks like already shot up. Daily, it's still going to do it though. Daily, sell, weekly. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. Bitcoin. 1 minute sell to the 5 minute blue line. Buy stop, 30 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop Bitcoin. Bitcoin daily was a buy. Look at how gorgeous that was. How much did that go up? You guys must have made some money on that. Daily, weekly. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. GBB, GPB, JPY. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin, by the way. GBB, JPY. 1 minute sell stop. GBB, JPY. Where's it blowing to here? Hold on. 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. Nope, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, just like we're currently in for the US 30 and NASs. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. And that's it. I'm done. All right. Gold. Nope, UDCHF. Sorry. USD CHF. Still cracks me up. You guys still defend the markets. They're not rigged. EUR USD versus UDCHF. The exact same time, let me put a line on it for you so you can see it. The exact same time EUR USD went up, UDCHF went down. Coincidental, right? And it does it every time on the higher time frames. So whatever I call for USD CHF, and you guys should use that to your distinct advantage whenever trading my system. If one is calling for a 15-minute, 30-minute sell, and one's calling for a 15-minute, 30-minute buy, I would listen to those. Boy, those are exactamundos right there. All right, let's go over to 1 hour. There you go. Okay, here we go. EUR USD, 1 minute, sell stop. EUR USD, 5 minute, nothing. 15, nothing. 30, nothing. 30 minute, 1 hour. Nope. 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. But damn, did it rise up? Holy shit. Gorgeous with that. Had to be the same time as the rest. Anyway, all done. Gold. Let me see if I can get some kind of gold options going here. 1 minute. Sell to the blue line again. 15 minute buy. 30 minute. Nope. 30 minute. Hold on. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. 15 minutes. So it's a 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop. 1 minute sell stop. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy stop. Gold. Weekly. I'm in it. I'm not touching it. I'm staying in there. I'm good. Already did SPX and NAS and US 30 ad nauseum. Look at. Oh, I don't know. Gee, did the fucking SPX go down for you? I don't know. Did it? Did NAS go down further for you? Okay, I'm standing up at this point, and there goes your US 30. Look at it. What more do you want than someone calling out downward sloping M, by the way, Sid? This is the sell stop. It did it. There's your M. There's your W in the middle of the M, by the way. Here's your SPX. Downward sloping M. Zoop. And it went down. I mean, I call the trades out live for you. I give you nothing but everything I have. I give you every indicator, every way to use my indicators. I don't charge you a shit ton of money. I come on here live with you virtually every day. Again, I'm not staying on past 9 o'clock. Ethereum. And Ethereum. NAS paid out again, says Team Lane. Absolutely. And Ethereum. Life is Ethereum. I see it, Kev. The future is bright. Wear shades. There you go. And there you go. Oh, it's going up again. They're fucking 1 minute shitty little sell stops before news, before the market opened. And you could have just made whatever you wanted to make on these. You could have made 40 pips. Holy fucking shit. Oh, it's going up, Kev. I swear. Go whine somewhere else. I'm not listening to it. Oh, look at it go up. Look at it go up. Oh, all my greedy little piggy friends didn't make money because they decided to hold the trade longer than they should. I feel bad for you guys not. It is life of aquarium, life of aquarium, life of aquarium. All right. Does anybody have any questions for me on TikTok or YouTube? If there's going to be news, which there's going to be evidently news, what do we do with news? We eat it. We mow on it. Made $2. Whoop, thanks. Nice, Monique. $2 is awesome, Monique. Make that $2 becomes 20, which becomes 200, which becomes 2,000. It's in a book. It's in a schmook. I'm going to watch multiple times. I'm missing the relationship between the 4-hour dip to the yellow and the 1 minute, 5 minute buys. Impossible to miss it. It's the exact same thing. It's the exact same thing. You have to have the logo on the higher time frame, which was the 5 minute in this case. And in our other case, it's the 4-hour. It isn't there. It isn't down low enough. I'm sorry, but it isn't. You guys do anything you want to do. You guys play any which way you want to play. At Rocket, I'll be honest, this live has been one of the absolute best. So good decision. Nice. Good morning, Groot. Good morning, Rob Groothius. Good morning, Groot. Good morning, Groot. I want to check out ERUSD a little bit, though, because I want to see something. And I also want to see if I can do some gold something. ERUSD, 1 minute. Okay. 5 minute. Okay. Yeah. 5 minute, 15 minute. Nope, I'm good. 30 minute, 1 hour. Nope, I'm good. 1 hour, 4 hour. Nope, I'm good. ERUSD is also too far away from its yellow line. I'm not saying it can't go up. I'm saying it's not ideal. And I'm trying to teach you guys how to make the safest trades. I understand 4-hour charts, 4-hour candles don't always, 4-hour price doesn't always come down to the yellow line, but I would suspect it should be closer than this. I really hope whatever bullshit news they're pulling out of their assholes today, that they actually have this shift go down. It didn't do it yesterday, but it really needs to. They need to have something to yank this stuff down, even if it's just temporary. Just candle wick that shit down for like 30 seconds. Pull it down to the yellow line and then let it hook and come back up again. That's what we need to have happen. It would make me feel a lot better about things if they would do that. Aquarius. Good morning, CV. Yes, blessed to live another day. Everyone should say to amen to CV because that is the truth. We are so blessed. This is all fun and games. I know I take it seriously. I know I'm here trying my best to help you people make demo money. I'm doing everything I can to do that. But the reality of it is, thank God we're taking another breath in. Thank God we have the loved ones in our lives that we do. Thank God that we're able to share this with other people. You know what I'm saying? Just think about that. My mom is no longer here. My dad is no longer here. My grandparents, both sides, are no longer here. And I know mom wanted to live so badly. She went through open heart surgery about 7-8 years before she died. She should have died back then, but her will to live just kept going and going. And she would give anything for another day to be with my children and her great-grandchildren. Anything. But mom's up in heaven looking down. Hopefully she's looking down happily as I'm trying to help you all. Good morning, Yolanda. All right, TikTokers, any question before they release some bullshit news? YouTubers, any questions before they unleash some bullshit news? 6 minutes to the BS news. 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 I don't even care what it is. Jobless claims, interest rates. See how they keep you all scared? Fuck the news. We're in some sell stops, stay in them. If you want to take some buy stops, log them in off the 1 hours. I wouldn't do SPX though. If you're in the sell stops before they make the news, fucking awesome. If you're not in the sell stops before they make the fucking news, I don't know what to tell you. Good morning, Nanakalukie Magwaza. Good morning, Nan. No one has any questions. All right. I know you guys are always like, he's going to rip me a new asshole if I ask a question. Fair enough. Sell stop, 1 minute. It's only when you guys ask questions that shouldn't be. Oh, look at that. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go up? Let's see. Moving back my take profit. Damn it. Almost. How did that not fucking tap me out? I'll never know. That is insanity. Welcome to Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop. NAS. You should already be in a sell stop US 30. You should already be in a sell stop NAS. Lock in your profits before market open. And Ethereum. Ethereum. What's up, Harris? Good morning, Harris. You were going to look at gold. Rayshawn Warren. Babu, okay, I'm going to bite, Kev. You got a question, Bob? Ask away. But I don't know. We're getting a little close to this whole thing here. Let me look at gold a little bit more. I wouldn't trade anything before news. All of you should stay out of the market from about 8:25 till about 8:35 every day. And then same for open and market open, unless you're experienced or you have full faith in the system. 1 minute gold. 1 minute gold, 5 minute gold, 15 minute gold. Just buy. I do like that gold. 1 minute, 1 hour. Oh, that's why we're in trouble there. 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour daily. So I'm in my long-term buy. I guess I'm just going to hold on that. 1 minute sell stop gold, 5 minute buy stop gold. It's actually not even a 5 minute. It is a 15 minute, 1 hour buy gold. That's all. I don't know. I would just stay out of it. Just let this shit pass. It'll give us some time to get in some more trades. Is all it's going to do. So I have my buy stop set up on the 1 hours, right? Buy stops are set up on my 1 hours. I already have an open buy stop on NAS. I already have a sell on US 30 open. I'm ready for, I'm not doing any more sells. I'm ready for some buys on NAS and SPXs and US 30s. If they rocket it up, they might not fulfill my orders, but that's okay. I already got one going, so I'm cool. And that's it. Last night, 7:26 p.m. last night. Shouldn't be trading at that time anyways, Bob, but go ahead. Let me type it up. It might be better if you email it over as a guess. Hopefully some exciting news because I'm getting bored waiting for their news. I hope there's some exciting news. Now, I will not be staying till market open today. I will not be staying Thursday or Fridays to market open. Just not going to happen. It might be better if you email in the question, Bob, because sometimes they block shit on TikTok and YouTube. Well, I have some of the words blocked anyways myself, which has helped out so much from these young kids that used to come on TikTok. Oh my goodness. In a life of a theory. Now, if we don't have our, we need 50 people on TikTok. We're at 42, by the way. I hope that gets better. Come on now. Sell stop, 1 minute, all three indices. You don't like 1 minute? Not your flavor of the day? Then go ahead and go switch over to vanilla and go over to the 1 hour buy stops, all three indices. Other than that, 1 minute sells. Now I'm pretty sure. Hold on a second. Let's see what we got. We got, what do we have? What do we have? Oh, that is a gorgeous, almost makes me want to put in another 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell. Oh, that is gorgeous right there. This is up a little bit higher. 1 minute sell stop, all three indices for any kind of bullshit fucking news. 1 hour buy stop, all three indices. If you're going to play it, move fast and furious. This is any kind of news that isn't total bullshit news. We're actually going to get some movement. It'll fly up. It'll fly down. My brother couldn't even take his fly up on the options yesterday because he didn't have to take profit in. Be careful with that. Okay. Now, sell stop all three indices, buy stop all three indices, lock in profits. Number one, don't take this trade. Don't move with it. If you're going to do it, move fast and furious. 1 minute sell stops, 1 hour buy stops. Be prepared for fast movements. Here we go. Let's see if we got anything. Come on, news. Whoop, there you go. Buy stop engaged. Buy stop engaged in the money. Buy stop engaged in the money. Buy stops are engaged in the money. Buy stops are engaged in the money. Take the money and run on your buy stops. Yay. Beautiful. Now, be careful. 1 hour buy stops are all in the money. 1 hour buy stops are in the money. Now I'm going to go right back to it. Sell stop. Awesome. I hope you guys made some money on those buys. They clicked in real quick. Take the money and run. Sell stop. US 30, 5 minute. What a gorgeous little play. I love that little push. I prefer it to dip down, but you can't argue with what they're doing. Sell stop, 5 minute. NAS 100. Just wait. If you have any buys, keep them open. If you have any buys, keep them open. If you have any sells, do it. There you go. You're in the money on the US 30 sell. Take your money out and run. Take your money out and run on the US 30 sell. Don't stay in it. If you want to go ahead, hold on. 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour. Look at that. Gorgeous little push. If you were in the money on your 1 hour buys like I was on US 30, you can close those down. You don't have to keep those open. There Yeah, beautiful. Be ready for your engagement on all three indices on your 1 hours if you're not already in them. 1 hour buy stops can be engaged here soon. Be ready for that. I'm already in a NAS buy. Just wait for it. There you go. Keep it right here. Let me see ERUSD. Oh, nice. Haha, my options are back in the money on ERUSD. Not much, $28, and the other one was up. So we're up $49 on 5 options. The knockouts, Tracy would be proud of me on the knockouts. So there is our ERUSD 1 hour, 4 hour kicked in. Again, calling for sell stops on US 30, 5 minute sell. And then you can also re-enter in if you like to on the buy. There you go. Sell stop 5 minute US 30 and NAS. I'm not calling SPX at this point. If you don't want to do the sells, then you can just flip right over here. And there's your buys, 1 hour buy stops. How did gold do? I don't think gold probably moved much. Let's see. Oh, it did. Oh my gosh. Gold and then our hills. Oh my God. Look at gold. Oh, fuck, Mike. Oh, fuck. I didn't take any gold options out. Damn, those fucking, it's so accurate on the 1 hour. Look at that. Here's your 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop. There it is. Damn, double fudgicles. Should have took some options. I did. We called it, but I didn't make any move on it. Damn, FUD. You're in the money on the US 30 sell, or is that NAS? You're in the money on US 30 sell. You're in the money on NAS sell. You're in the money on US 30 sell. You're in the money. I'm closing down my US 30. Let me see NAS. There it is. Beautiful call. Beautiful call. Take your money out of those sells. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. Now, buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hours. As much as I don't like it, we're going to have to do it. If you get engaged, stay engaged. It's fine. Those sells paid off wonderfully. It was like $480 and like $360. Nice. Buy stop. All three indices, 1 hour, 4 hours. I'm not saying it won't go down again. I don't care if it does. I'm golden on it. I'm just going to take my money and keep running on those buys. Buy stop. That's a nice little push. It wasn't much. Oh, well, it's fine. I still do like this fucking sell, though. I got to be honest with you. Okay, I'm calling it. US 30 sell stop again. I hate to keep beating a dead horse, but US 35-minute sell stop. Let me see NAS. Maybe I won't be as happy with NAS. 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop NAS 100. I can't believe I'm doing this. Or just wait and do the buys. Just wait and do the buys. That's fine. Do buy. Do the buys. Do buy. Hold door. Hold the door. Hold door. Hold the door. Yeah, it's your choice on this, however you want to play them. I personally like the buys for longer term. That's why I'm in a buy that has 500, 600 pips, right? So the buy, but that gold, Mike should have did that. He probably didn't play because I didn't tell him to. Oh, look at that gold. Oh, fuck me on gold. Oh my gosh. Look at gold. Look at gold. Son of a beeswax mother. Fucking god dang fucking doggone. I can't complain. Oh, look at ERUSD go. What the fuck? What does ERUSD go? My options are going through the roof. ERUSD. Oh, okay. Well, I got one out of the two. I didn't get gold, but boy, I got ERUSD, baby. Who got ERUSD? See, too far away from the yellow line, but the 1 hour is still, I mean, it is what it is. It's still a buy stop. And look at the money. We're up $90, which doesn't sound like much. It's a small Nadex account. I'm very happy with it. I don't usually load up my Nadex accounts. I am lost in Aquarius. So look, better buy here. Still okay here. It's just too far away. You just can't. So when I took the options out, I'm more than comfortable with waiting. I had till the end of the week, and I took them out yesterday or day before. I can't remember when I took those ERUSDs out. Nice. Look at that. Perfectly called, perfectly played on ERUSD. Completely missed the boat on gold. I mean, I called it. I just didn't play it. That kind of annoys me. Sorry about the gold call. I mean, I called it. I mean, the 5-minute buy was perfect. It would have been a 15-minute buy. That's why it was so good. It was 15-minute 1 hour. It was. Yep. Fuck. So I missed gold for you guys. Apologize, but damn, that ERUSD one. Nope, we hit that motherfucker on the head. I'm telling you, I'd be leaning towards these buys on the US 30s and all those. If you're not in a buy, make sure you're set up for it. Yeah, I do. I just think that's going to be the case. There goes NAS again. And even if it's just a little bit, even if you're just up, look at $227, so 27 pips, right? Up on the NAS buys. All my buys are in the money on NAS. All the buys on NAS are in the money. All the buys in NAS are in the money. All my buys in NAS are in the money. All my buys in NAS are in the money. Take the money and run. Close down all those trades. Close down all those trades. No. That was fun. Well, if nothing else, I'm happy I got my money out of the thing. Look at that. $130 on the options. 140. I know it doesn't sound like much. I have bigger trades in my other accounts. But that one is just fun. I like to be right. I'm learning those. What I'm doing is I'm learning those knockouts for you guys. Again, Tracy's the expert at, but I'm learning. Look at the money. Look at the money, honey. Look at that money on NAS. I'm taking this one off. Closing down one of my NASs. Look at the money on NAS. Wow. Look at the money on NAS buy. What's the NAS buy at? Hold on. And why I told you NAS was better than them all, because NAS was closest on its 4 hour. I'm not saying it's going to keep going up, but I am saying that you made money on these buys. You sure as fuck did. You're in the money. 20 pips, 30 pips, 20 pips, 70 pips, depending on your entry on all your buys on NAS. Take the money and run on NAS. You don't have to keep those trades open any longer than you have. Look at it going up. Look at NAS. I'm assuming SPX doing the same thing. Hold on. Yep, SPX is in the money too if you took SPX as a newbie. US 30 is in the money. Not as strong, but very, very to the blue line, by the way. to the blue line, by the way. Oh, shit. I didn't see that all three went past it. Oh, all three went past. So the scanner would have worked. Didn't even have it on. Look at it go up. Look, these are my last three remaining buys here on NAS right there. Oops, sorry. I don't understand hold on. I don't understand why. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. I'm like, there we go. Buy NASs, all three of them. Buy NASs, all three. And again, you can still set up your sell, but I think we're way past that at this point. We're done. There you go. I'm going to close down another one of those trades. I'm only going to leave two. Taking profit on another NAS. Let me move this out of the way. And locking in profit on the other NAS. Okay. All right, let me see US 30 again. Nice. Nothing to call there. Let me go to gold again. Oh, that gold was picture perfect. Damn, I wish I'd have called it stronger for you guys. But I can't complain about ERUSD. Holy fuck. Look at that rocket ship going to the moon. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. You want to know what a fill in the gap trade is? Well, you're seeing it live. Look at that. Hey, Sydney, can you roll out and include ERUSD and gold into our signals? Can you apply the same rules just for the 15-minute 1 hours? I don't like the 1 hour, 4 hour trades. I just don't. I mean, we can have them there, but we're going to make those secondary. Hey, Sid, if you're still listening, can you add in ERUSD and gold to be read? I know we're going to have a separate scanner. I don't mean they're going to be included with the same read because NAS and SPX and US 30 are being traded as one. I mean, just add it. Our 30-second charts, good to trade. They are if you know how to trade them. Yes, OGGM. Yes, they are. Sorry, I didn't mean, I didn't look at your guys' comments. Okay, I'm looking at comments. I hope I see a whole bunch of thank gods. All right. Adam Knapp. No questions, just reviewing your rules. Let me type it up. Okay, sure thing. There were a lovely push on gold. It was. What's up, Dhirav Rana? Good morning. Dhirav Rana. I trained with him one-on-one the other day. Good morning to you. 1990 USD CAD. Nice, I Spy. Matthew Daily. SPX. Yep, SPX, same as all of them. You can see it clearly. Oh, shit. It tapped me out of one. It tapped me out. Fuck. NAS tapped me out of one of my took profit. Fuck. Got in the buy on US 30 off the 1 hour yellow coach. Had my stop loss in place in case it turned around too quickly. Loved the result. Nice, Damien. Congratulations, Damien Hall. Got my runner up. It makes me nervous as hell. The NAS was a better play than US 30 and also less thing. Family day today, but I added them to my notes. Nice. Families first, Sydney, and sleep, Sydney. Sydney needs to sleep. Harry is the 5 minute, 15 minutes, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop still that it is, but it's not going to engage. It's just not. Thank God, says thing. Green Mountain, John Francis, thank God. Thank God, says Brick. Good morning, BCM. Good morning, BCM. Yep. So that was a whole bunch of thank gods on that, or at least for me. Very, very happy with ERUSD. That is awesome. I got 4. Hold on. How many positions do I have in this one? I have 4 contracts. I forgot how much they can make me. I think it's 136 each. And they're only at 88 right now. So I get 92. Oh, shit. We're getting up there. Woohoo! And then I can close down this one because I think that's the most I can make unless it breaks it. Let me see. Nadex makes you log in and out like 25 fucking thousand times a day. All right. Oh, and I can't stay on much longer, by the way, guys. So let me go over to here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that is simply gorgeous. That is so nice. I'm going to leave it. All right. So our ERUSD is performing as desired. Oh, good. Our NAS didn't get tapped out. Oh, thank God. Well, one of them did, but the second one was open. Our little NAS is still, thank God, still shooting upward. The 5-minute, well, technically, it is a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop on NAS. And yes, that's still accurate, but it's already done it once. You see this right here? This is your 15-minute one right here. And it already did it once. I think personally, we're going to see the engagement of a long-term buy now. That's my bias anyways, based off the 1 hour, 4 hour. Now, does it still? And would I be shocked if it moves down closer to this fucking yellow line before it goes up anymore? No. But right now, you got to take this money. They're giving it to us. Look at that shit. You're up 14 pips on NAS right now. You're up 14 pips on NAS right now. 17 pips on NAS right now. 16 pips on NAS. I took this trade with you guys. There it is. There's my entry. Look at it go up. 16, 17, 18 pips. Plus, I'm already in the NAS, 600 pips. Plus, I'm already in gold, 123. So I guess gold, maybe that's why I wasn't as aggressive as gold. Did I mention that? That I already had owned gold. I'm already in gold. We're up $123 an ounce on gold. There's this other one. Now, it did tap us out of the other. But that's okay. I'm going to take that money. I don't care. All right. And there's this. Oh, what time is it? I got a few more minutes. All right. Did Bob ever send in his question? Let me see. Nope. Bob never sent in his question in. All right. Thank God. Joined late. Still profited. Blessed morning to all. Thank you. Blessed morning. Blessed FX. Good morning. I do believe we're done with that 15-minute sell on NAS, even though it is still valid. You can put it in if you want. But we're up 19 pips. But the reality is I think we're into long-term buys now, right now. I don't think we can, there is no retreat. Once you're engaged now off of your either 30-minute or, 1 hour buy stops, you're in them now. You're in them. There's nothing you can do other than pray and hope it goes up. So right here, I see this would be a 30. Yep. So you're in the money. Excellent. Congratulations, everybody that made money. 18 pips, 19, 20 pips. Look at it go. Nice. And then, of course, the ERUSD. Now, the gold did the same thing. I didn't call, well, I called it. I didn't play it because I was already in it, but I didn't tell you guys to play it. So I apologize for not being more direct with gold. That's my fault. ERUSD, I know I was direct, and I'm fucking in that. Look at it, ERUSD. $145. Woo! That's soon going to be because it's going to hit the yellow line when it hits that, or blue line on Nadex. When it hits the blue line on Nadex, I believe that'll generate 500. It's 4 times 135, 525 or something like that. 535. Nice. I know Tracy's proud of me. Tracy's like, that's right. Do those damn knockouts, Kev. Do those knockouts. We're almost up 20 pips. We're up 19,99999 on the up 21 pips. Up 20. Are we doing the same thing on US 30? Hold on. Hold on. Yep, US 30s buy again. I can't believe fuck. The NAS is in the money. How godly. SPX is in the money. Gosh dang. Everybody buy. Okay, I haven't said it one time. Buy the system. 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 It is so sad. Well, I don't know if I should play 1 minute. I don't know if then just play the fucking 15-minute 1 hours. And if there wasn't one like today, then you don't trade. Go over to thesafetytrade.com. Buy the system for $575. After you buy the system, you get a type form. Immediately in your receipt, you get the type form. The type form walks you through it. Walks you through how to get everything ready. If you buy the system today, you can have everything ready so you can be trained on Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in a small group class. That's how fast you can start learning to make money and start doing this. Just like that. Just like that. And then we also do continuing ed, or what I call advanced training, Mondays at 2:30 p.m., 2:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's live taught by me in small group classes. And then after that, you have 800 YouTube videos to review and look at. And then after that, you have me live nearly every day. helping you guys the best I can. All right. So anybody new here? Is anyone hasn't bought the system? Yeah, it's ATM. It is an ATM, correct. ERUSD. Does anyone new here that doesn't have the system? Good morning, Dr. Alvaro Melgar, and I can't read your last name. Anyone new here hasn't bought the system yet? Look at those options. $100 a thing. See, Mike, that ERUSD. I'll have to go over with my brother. I know I'll be like, oh, I didn't know and I didn't do. So I called out that ERUSD for you. I did not call out aggressively the gold. I did call it out, but I didn't tell you to take the trade or anything like that in your demo accounts. Sorry. I did tell you what to do on NAS and SPX and US 30, however. Good morning, DJ Arcos. So there's no one new. Okay, I'm good. No one's here. I'm out the door. All right. Anybody have any questions before I go? I'm leaving you all in the money. I'm leaving you in the money with gold. Okay. I'm leaving you in the money with US 30. I'm leaving you in the money with NAS. Definitely a lot of money with NAS. I'm leaving you in the money with SPX, although all of you should be out of it if you're the beginners. I'm leaving you in the money with ERUSD, and I'm talking about a fucking rocket ship to the moon. Look what it looks like on the 15-minute. Look at that shit. Don't you leave us in the money every day? Yes, sir, Adam. That's what I try for. Pip Hunter, broken bach on what? I'm sorry. You're welcome, Jason McCain. Thank you, Kevin. Off to the moon. All right. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube with questions, concerns, or comments, please speak up. And yes, you can ask questions where I don't jump down your throat. But the reality is just ask them nicely one time and then make sure it's not something too bad because I can't take it when it's idiotic. Like this morning with the three people, the three amigos that couldn't even tell me if the line was up high or low or not. You know what? I'm going to give you one more training here. How's US 30 going for the open? So CV. How's US 30? Can you see my question above? Says Pip Hunter. Broken Bach. The only question I see from you, Pip Hunter, it says broken Bach right. I don't know what that means. There's no context. If you ask something else, I don't see it. Jen Holmes, you're welcome, Jen. Thank you for being here. No, Pip Hunter, you don't have it. See, what you guys fail to realize, if I don't read your questions, it's because YouTube or TikTok is blocking them. There's nothing we can do about it. It's just being blocked. So all you can do is send an email or try to word it differently, but emails are usually the easiest. Let me show you what I see. Here's my YouTube channel. 3,000 members. All right. Here's the live. Mute that. Those get everything caught up. Right here. Above that. Okay, never mind. Can you see my question above it? So here it is. Broken Bach. Jason, Sydney, Blessed Life, DJ, R. Hill, Sandro, Adam, Pip Hunter, Harris Tran, Sandro, CV. See, this is what I see. So now you guys can see what I see. And if I don't read your question, it's because it's been blocked. Questions are blocked now. That makes sense. Miraga Harold. No, questions aren't blocked, Mira. Certain questions are blocked. Not all questions. The fuck you talking about? Mira, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Questions are not blocked. People ask me questions all fucking day long. The fuck out of here. Questions are blocked. Get out of here, douche fuck. Wow. Looking to re-enter NAS 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Stop chasing it down. I don't think over. Please double check that for me. So Sydney. Sure. See, there's a question there. Miraga Harold. Questions are blocked. No, if you try to ask stupid questions, they're blocked. meaning you're trying to figure out indicators and EMAs and stuff like that. That's what's blocked. The fuck out of here. Yeah, that's a good question. God, I swear to God. All right, which one, Sydney? Re-enter NAS. Let's see NAS. Did NAS tap me out? No, I'm still in it. NAS. 1 minute. Chasing it down. NAS isn't going down. I must be confused on something. NAS is still, am I on NAS? Yeah, NAS is still going up. Yeah, no, it's a 30-minute buy. You can't re-enter right now. No, you should either be in the trade. Matter of fact, yours, the signal system's what's the one that called this for us too. So we're in a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. It's a little late for NAS. I don't know if SPX can get it. Nope, SPX too late for that. US 30 maybe. You should be in these trades already. You should be in these buys. US 30 going up. Let's take a look. Another question. Miraga Harold. Can't ask questions, can you? Fucking moron. All right, let's see. US 31 minute. It's going up. And what could I do? I mean, what do you mean? What is it going to do? 1 minute. I already did it. So 1 minute, 5 minute sell. So 1 minute, 5 minute sell US 30. 1 minute, 5 minute sell. No, actually, it's a 5 minute, 15 minute sell SPX NAS. But it's not going to come back down. You guys, it goes down for a certain period of time, and then it reverses and goes back up. You're seeing the reversal going. Look at this shit. You're seeing the reversal going back up right before your very eyes. I don't believe we're going to get it to come back down again. I wish it would. Up 21 pips, 22 pips. I just don't think it is. So no, there's nothing we can do right here. Nothing. Good morning, Keith. What's up, Keith? The man, the myth, the legend behind the greatest scanner in the history of the world. The man, the myth. I'm telling you. He made Andre's creation right here look gorgeous. And then he created the absolute beast of a scanner right here. $50 a month gets you the scanner. I couldn't, if you're having trouble, you want to see this trades just like me. He was able to take the way I trade and decode it to near perfection. I can't thank Keith enough. It's utterly amazing what he has achieved technology-wise. It's crazy. Look. It's absolutely crazy. Look at this. Gee, I wonder if these are any sell stops, Keith. I mean, he is just incredible. Great man, good man, kind man. Does nothing, just helps everybody he can. I mean, this is just incredible. What he achieved is unparalleled, unheard of, something of. And there's the scanner right there. Boop. Amazing. And to think you can get all that for $50 a month, $200 a month if you want to, it's crazy. Keith, right, Sydney? For Heath. Morning, Coach. My love to you, Mrs. Coach. Thank you, Billy Rayman. What's up, Billy? Good morning, Billy. Dr. Matt Spangler says amazing. Yeah, it is amazing. NAS 30-minute, 15-minute buy. Gladex. Yeah, it's already called out. You're too late. You're either in the buy stops on the 1 hour 4 hours that I called out this morning, or you can wait for a 5-minute, 15-minute that will never happen sell stop on all three indices. That's your choices. My favorite was the 1 hour 4 hour buy, and we're in a 1 hour 4 hour buy. We're up 620 pips. We're up 124 ounces on gold, and we're up 21 pips on NAS. There you go. See, I wanted this hook to come in. It wouldn't do it on the 4 hour. It never came down. I can't help it. I sure hope they have some kind of fucking news coming up which drops this shit down. It's all the truth, Keith. You deserve all the love and then some. And safe travels to you too, Keith, when you travel coming up. You're welcome. And Gladex, you might want to tell Maria, you can't ask questions. Are they? Who would say that? Man, people are just nutty. All right, Keith, not staying on this morning. Got to go. I won't be here with you for the open on Thursdays and Fridays, probably for the next few weeks, just the way things are working out. Hope you all, did everyone have fun this morning? Did everyone make a little demo money this morning or real? How about how on a scale? Let's see, 1 to 10. How happy is everybody with this live this morning on a scale 1 to 10? Be honest. I don't give a fuck. You think I care? I'll just leave. A scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best. How happy are you guys with the live this morning? And considering we just all made thousands of dollars, I'm hoping that we see some 10s. Jacob. A 9 says Wealth Creation. Well, I feel bad, Wealth Creation Project. 10 says Solace. 10 says Jen Holmes. 15. See, I like Zima's Vang. Sai, I like your answer to 15. I like Mohammed Salam at a 15. Pip Hunter said a 1. All right, Pip Hunter. A 1, really? Okay. Good for you, my brother. A 10. Okay. Oh, I forgot the 0. Maria Toler. Maria Toler for the win. I don't even know what number that is, Maria. Is that a million? 10 million? God bless, Shash. 10.5. A mini buy-in. I'm a buy-in. I'm not following. I'm sorry. All right, TikTokers, gotta go. Great morning. Jason L, rock the box, brother. All right, YouTube, I'm going to stay with you for a second. YouTubers, anything? All right. YouTube going once. YouTube going twice. YouTube going 3 times. Anyone on YouTube have any questions or concerns or comments? I can't believe that moron came on here. Said, oh, blah, 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 blah. What the fuck? Can't ask. All I do is ask you for questions. Jesus. All right. Stay blessed, CV. Kai, stay blessed. Jason L. Blessings to every one of you guys. God bless. Good luck on your morning open. Good luck on that. I have no comment for it right now, though. Sorry. Guys are on your own. Good luck with it. I probably won't be on later this evening unless we go out. I might sneak on for a second. And then Friday, I'll be on tomorrow morning, though. I'll be on Friday morning. All right. God bless you, R. God bless you all. How do I fucking kill this sound? Jesus. All right, there.